So, hi everyone. Today on Celeb Se Charcha, we have the bold and beautiful singer, music composer, and lyricist Sona Mahapatra. She has sung multiple melodious songs like Ambar Sariya, Naina, Chori Chori, Bahara, and so much more. Very recently, she also released a documentary on her life. Welcome, Sona. Welcome to Celeb.
Pleasure to be here. I must say that I see myself as a performing artist above all. And while in India, we haven't yet figured out the idea of a pop rock star, I take great pride in the fact that India is changing. And my biggest pride comes from my touring from the band. And I mention the songs that you mentioned are all film songs. And while I'm proud of all of them, I think I've put out, I'm known, for my non-film hits and original music and my own creations as much as, you know, and although, I have had the joy of working with some of the best lyricists and composers, that song Naina, which I sang for this very young composer, Amal Malik, in this film Khoobsurat. And Kumar, who's a fantastic pop culture hero, people don't give him much of. Lyricists and writers never get any
Credit.
place in our media, which is so sad. They find thought when it comes to popular culture, but we'll never have an interview with them, and that breaks my heart. But Kumar, who's this incredible pop god, I call him, when it comes to, from Abhi Tak, that song, Sukhbir, that from Tare Gin Gin to, I think, which the other song Kumar has written. So many of them that I can't, the top songs of mainstream is Kumar. We were sitting together and Naina is this ballad again. And I'm not a very standard, casting. Thankfully for Ambar Sariya, where Ram did the anti-casting. Everybody would think, aisi awaaz hai to usko just item gawa. And I said no to a lot of work in the very beginning of my career because I knew I would be pigeonholed into that. I said I will release my own music. And that's where Boluna came out saying, when you hear my voice singing a ballad, there's a whole different story to it. Absolutely. And again, the pigeonholing is such that if you have a coarse or kharashdar voice like mine, this girl should sing some raunchy, folksy
number.
Item song.
Gatekeepers who will decide. They will not let the audience decide.
And beat. So when I sang, Naina nu pata hai, Naina dekhata hai, सानू किस गलती पे मिलती सजा है. ये गाना इतना प्यार मिल रहा है उसे, इतना प्यार, because I just feel, I think there's a lot of place in our lives for Sukundar songs, and which is why Guitar Wale Gaane has been getting a lot of love ever since I started it during the lockdown, because it's just a guitar and a voice. And it's a full-born baby of a song where there's a mukhra, there's an antara, there's a graph, there's a storytelling. And I think people have a lot of reverence for such music.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. I totally agree to that, And it's lovely that, you have a mind of your own. And not just that, you speak it also, So I think,
and that mind offends a lot
of things, but they will not speak it out, But amazing hats off to you for that, At least that we have a thinking performer, a thinking singer, who's just, trying to create. जैसे वो जावेद साहब का ये वो लाइन है ना कि जिधर जाते हैं उधर जाना अच्छा नहीं लगता मुझे. I think people are trying to create new ways, new roads. And I think you're doing that, Sona. Amazing is that.
Thank you so much. But I see myself as an artist. I've never restricted myself in terms of what I think.
Creative energy at the end of the day,
Yeah.
It could come out in different ways. Right?
Yeah, and I think, when I made this film, Shut Up Sona, with a very close friend of mine, Deepthi Gupta, who's a cinematographer, and we just went on this journey of discovery. And hopefully we come out on the other side where we make much more content, with a voice that we don't get to see often ourselves. So we are seeking it out, and we know there are others who are seeking it out. Yeah. So I'm hoping to be a storyteller in many forms, not just a singer, but music is always going to be at the heart of it.
Yes.
But I do love a lot of things, and it's not just about love. Shauk nahi hai. I believe in working hard, and I believe in learning a craft before I claim I'm something. So I just hope, yeah, many more artists take charge of their own narratives and
Absolutely.
don't count on others to give them a break or give them an opportunity. We have to, and we have such a strong ally in the internet. We live in a
Yeah.
world where we can build an audience, and it is much more hard work. We have to put in those hours every day. We have to do the toil every day, but it can happen.
It
It
can
can
happen.
happen.
Yes, it's a commitment that you have to make then with that international audience and with the the internet audience. But then I think it pays off in the end, and also it then it gives you that freedom, because then the gatekeepers are not there. You create your own content, which you really like to create from your heart, and let the audience decide then what if
Yeah.
what is it that they want to pick and choose. So
Yeah,
now this
because
is yeah.
I during the Lalpari Mastani project, which I said was the launch of my Red avatar, I put out a lot of music videos, and a lot of other content, travel logs, vlogs, unplugged
Yeah.
videos. I was shocked that there was such a good response. Nobody in the media covered it because obviously I don't have a PR company plugging in the whole thing. It's not to do
Hmm.
with PR either. Media actually is so used to just when a film comes out, they talk about a regular film.
Yeah.
They don't even understand documentary as a concept. It's like Sona Mahapat has become an actor. Oh, you're not an actor if you do a documentary, but that's something which will take time. So
Yeah.
I found it so heartening that the audience gave me so much of love. There was so much of traction, and Facebook was actually presented my whole journey on that Lalpari Masani project as a global case study to their head office, because I used a lot of social media platforms, and they saw that
Wow.
I'm doing something consistently for 9 months and engaging with the community and co-creating a lot of things, having these
Yeah.
conversations, and yet putting out my artistic expression in different ways. And for me, that was like a shot in the arm, saying, okay, um, we need to just go on our own journey and our own path, and we can't be just worried about the state of affairs, things are so bad, and whatever
Yeah.
else.
Yeah. So now this is something that I should have asked in the beginning. But tell us about your background. Where are you from, and how did what is it that inspired you to become a singer? I mean, I'm sure there was some moment in life where it was
I
you
don't think I
decided.
can put it down to one moment. I've had a very, I think, a very beautiful life in the sense that I traveled around the country. My father was in the Indian Navy. I had a deep connection to the roots music of our land. I studied Hindustani classical music. I did my Visharad, and so the foundations come from Hindustani classical. But more than anything, I was always, I think, a performer because I wanted to go on stage, and any opportunity to have a crowd, I would just take it up. And I think I become a very different person when I'm on stage, and
Yeah.
and that was my driving force. I was very good in my studies, and in middle class homes, if you're coming first, you're a topper. You're expected to pursue a certain, and also there are compulsions of earning your living and independent. And I'm very grateful for that also. So I went on
Right.
to do my engineering degree. I went and did an
Wow.
MBA, and then I went to
Where did
work
you get your engineering from?
from Orissa, where I come from. And I'd done the usual, the IIT stuff. I didn't get the a rank which would give me the kind of entry that I wanted. And, when I was a judge for those 16, 17 episodes on that Saregama show, the only thing I was to keep telling all these people dying to make it in Bombay as a playback singer, I'm like, you don't have to do that anymore. India
Yeah.
has a capability of making you a star, and we can have a star in each mohalla. We are
Correct.
so populated, and there is a lot of money for artistry. There is a lot of patronage,
And
in
scope
that
for
sense.
somebody. Yeah.
So, like, to go local is what I would recommend young artists. Embrace your roots. Don't
Yes.
try and be something that you're not. Don't try
Not.
and be
Yeah.
Drake and Beyonce. I mean,
Yeah.
we don't have to be looking towards our inspirations to the West.
Yeah.
We have enough and more to celebrate in our roots, and to have superstars amidst us in every region. So
Yeah.
I just love the fact that the Punjabi industry they have stars of their own. They have an ego. They have patronage of their own. And I hope every other community celebrate their own artists, as
Absolutely.
much,
You're
so
so
that
right. You're
we
making
have an
such valid
ecosystem
points.
which supports.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for your time. How lovely to talk to you. and all the best for Shut Up Sona. But I hope you never shut up, Sona.
Thank you.
Continue to speak your mind out, and may the performer in you always shine brighter than the brightest in the sky.
Thank you so much. Such a pleasure talking to you too. And I hope to come to Vietnam very soon.
Yes,
and
please.
let's hope the whole world starts, moving
Heal.
again.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Sona. I'll see you in your live on Instagram soon.
Pleasure.
Take care. Bye.